how to create tab group in your Chrome browser, or how you can enable it. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about how can manage your tab groups, how you can create it, and where from here you find the setting for the enable it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, let me open my Chrome browser first. Yeah, so here I am on my Chrome browser. So from here just open the any tab. Okay, and just right click on it, and here you can see the option. You can see add tab new group. So here you can give the name of your group. I just give the name social profiles. You can change the color or select the color for particular groups. This option you have to enable. I'll show you how you can enable it. You can save this group. Okay, now you can add the new tab in this group. Now you can see this is my social profile group, and the all tab, the color is the same color. If I create another group, like if I create new group, so this is my new tab, and I just select like my office tab. Okay, and you can also save this group, so both group has been saved. Okay, so I can just switch this group here. This is my office group. Okay, now I can add the another tab, new tab to group. Okay, okay, you have to you can add the new tab by clicking on group and add the new tab. If you add the any tab like this, okay, then it will be not include in your tab, so you have to add from here only. So it will be the color is same. You can see color, both all tab color is the same as you can do with the another tab. Okay, so if you don't find this option, that add the new group or another group, so how you can enable it, just open your Chrome browser, go to the settings, and under the setting just click on this browse browse address, or you can say this tab, and just select the settings only and type flags. So you need to keep Chrome :/ and you have to just enter the flags only and just hit the enter now. Then flag setting will be open. Okay, now what you need to do, just type here group tab. Okay, or just enter the tab only. Okay, so here you can see this is tab group save. So this is for what I showed you. Okay, this is for if you want to enable this option, you have to enable it. It's by default, it is under the default setting, but you need to enable it. After enable, you need to relaunch your Chrome browser. Okay, and okay, so just enable it, it will be save, this option will be enabled. Okay, so that is how you can create the group. Now you can see I have two groups, social profile, the with particular color, and the office group with the particular color. Okay, so you can minimize also. You have to just click on this group icon, the all tab will be minimized, and you can also minimize like this. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.